Another beautiful day on October 8th on S&P. We are currently 4 points in profit. We know extremely well what we are seeing. S&P at decision point 2, the most important level in the market structure. We also know extremely clearly that reversal zone is not far off. Respect decision point 2. 4 points. My stop is well outside of break-even. I'm adjusting my trail to 1927.25. Trading is pure heaven. If you just remove your freaking indicators, you'll be amazed how easy is price. Every single time and every single day I study price, I'm shocked how predictable and magnificent this dance is. We knew to expect this completely. We waited patiently. The importance of this level is never ever ever to be underestimated. Price spelled out to us since many days ago. Buy, buy, buy. You had opportunity to buy yesterday and we had opportunity to buy today. Buckle up. Just do not ignore the fact that price is not far off from reversal zone. That's where it's gonna get very interesting. Selling pressure is here at 1932. But guess what? I expect price to blast through reversal zone eventually. We are 6 points on S&P. Oil remains completely stuck. I told you it's a bad idea to short oil that late. Sellers are here because reversal zone is reached. How predictable is price? Price is confirmation that nothing in this world is random. Nothing. Not even price. The same bloom you see in the flower, the same symmetry you see when you look in the mirror is in price. Oil spelled out to me days ago. Do not short anywhere near this level. Price becomes unpredictable. I know extremely well that oil is heading here. I simply play by the rules because I know what happens 90% of the time if I break the rules. Just like I know what happens if 90% of the time I obey the rules. Magic. Reversal zone is reached. I know extremely well that it's a temporary pause. Is that clear? Lalita, you're hysterical. Did you hear what she said? She says I was whispering. I'm screaming on top of my lungs. Please adjust your mic. Anybody else think I was whispering? I don't think I'm screaming more and more because this is just extremely exciting. How unpredictable is that? Can everybody hear me? It's a reversal down on my trade, traders. Price is also showing me the power of the bullish structure and the power of the rally. Thank you, Sheree. Thank you. What is oil doing? Oil is also dancing at decision point 2, but oil doing drastically different dance than S&P had done. So, trailing 1928. Everybody trades different lot size. Everybody has to understand. Trade only with knowledge, trade only with rules. Scale out accordingly. Price spelled out to me before I even took a trade where reversal zone will be. Make sense? That simple. So how predictable is price? Reversal zone is reached and here's a push south. I may take short before I take another long. I don't know. I just play with price and do what price tells me. Here's my marvelous trade as expected, reversed from reversal zone. 6 points on S&P. If you know where reversal zone is, you know where to take profits off the table. Let's see if I can catch another long, or maybe I will take short. I don't know. I just do what price tells me. That simple. Oil news is out. We have way too much oil. We have 2.5 times as much supply as we need. So, here's the bullish rally we discussed with our students and the danger of buying into the news. And here's the rally playing out. So what am I expecting on oil? I expect oil to settle down. I will absolutely let oil do that before I would buy oil. Clear? Here's a push to the downside. Completely expected. Currently I'm completely ignoring S&P. Completely ignoring S&P as my focus is on oil. And this is, my beautiful students, precisely the reason why I didn't buy oil, knowing quite well that that's what happens if you buy in the news. It doesn't matter what news tells me. Do you remember what we're projecting on oil? It's a temporary support. I actually expect to see oil all the way down here. So, I typically allow oil 5 minutes to settle down before I trade oil. And S&P took my voice completely down. It doesn't feel good, so let me talk as less as possible because I'm in incredible pain. So hold on, please. Is it possible 2.5 times as much supply and oil heading south, south, south? Very, very predictable. So I'm simply monitoring what price is telling me, as I know price will always override the news. So here's endless, very, very bearish news on oil actually. I made a mistake initially spelling out and saying it's a bullish news because oil came in positive. But we cannot forget that oil, unlike any other market, number plus actually means oil is too much supply and oil will be cheaper. So what's happening with oil? We're seeing only long trades and we're long once again. Our students, due to volatility, had drastically earlier point of entry and 2 extra other trades. By the time I brought them to the trading room was too late. This is what we're monitoring for. Does oil have enough juice and enough power blast through? Then the rally will be phenomenal. Anyone cares about bearish news? Please tell me. News is completely worthless if it overrides the price. Showtime. Very late bullish re-entry even for the trading room. Can oil do that? Blast through this level? Does not look very promising at this moment. Oil is taking a major pause. How much fun is trading? Do you see that price will always override the news? Do you see how magnificent is price? Our buyers remain bullish well before the news. Despite extremely bearish news, but this remains a key level. If oil cannot break through this level, it's gonna continue drastically lower down. That's what we're monitoring and waiting for. So, this been the magic of oil entire week. Yesterday I said buy because price was not far off from decision point 2. Decision point 1, the end of the minor trend. This morning we came and I said you must be out of your mind to short into this area. I said I will only buy. Short was here. And here is oil. Oil is, even with very late buy due to volatility, is very, very close to reversal zone. Traders, trail very, very carefully. We just got the inception of spectacular bullish trend that will continue further up. And that's the magic of the price, and that's the power of knowledge. So trailing very, very carefully. I can't get enough of trading. Confirms each and every day that life is a stage. All you have to do is play by the rules. Is that clear? Reversal zone. Again, reminder. Know your levels. That's where my trade is currently. Completely expected to be out. Do not stay in a trade if your trade came to reversal zone. Trail extremely carefully, as chances of collapse on price is very, very high. That is my trade, and that's all there is to it. Simple. I expect to be out, and I'm monitoring for short. So we are out of oil. Out of oil as my marvelous trade had reached reversal zone. Even the late buy on oil, we had remained firm, reached our targets. I just re-entered another trade on S&P. We are currently 4 points in profit on S&P. I'm trailing carefully, 19.21. So after this trade we are out. I'm coming back for FOMC. Is that clear? Knowledgeable oil traders had 3 to 4 trades. Trading room, my apology. Volatility huge. You witness what's been happening. Everything as expected. So let's concentrate on S&P, and I have another trade on oil. I'll do it, but I'm only human. So since I'm coming back on a FOMC, I need a serious major break. So I spelled out to you the importance of this trade on a S&P, the importance of 1923 area, correct? Awesome, thrilled to hear, Steve. Fantastic. You will love, love, love the course. What is my biggest reward in what I do? Getting the joy from those who want to help themselves. And when I see a father bringing his daughter to the course, that is phenomenal. When I see a sister bringing brother to the course, that's freaking amazing. When I see beginner trader Jen is doubling her account and reporting 93 success rate, she should be speaker and role model. Janice, let me know when you want to take a mic. Another 5.5 points on S&P. How easy freaking can trading be? We blasted through 1923, my trail 1922.75. Let's get out of this trade on S&P. Another 5.5 points. I'm monitoring for short, so I'm exhausted from trading, frankly, completely. So, spectacular, magnificent day. Buckle up for FOMC.